description.
Well, hey, this is Hans, the Ramen Raider, coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. This is the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. And today I've got one made in South Korea, packaged for the U.S. market. I'm going with Assi. Right there. Looks like it says Assi, but it's probably Aussie. This is Kimchi Rapokki noodle. And that sounds good. So let's do this. This is a microwavable variety for your microwave. So you add in this. This is Rapokki. Rapokki is a rice cake. I've been doing a lot of varieties that include Rapokki lately, and it's not a complaint. I really like Rapokki. So there is our Rapokki rice cake. Here is our noodle block. Add that in. Like so. We add in our powder base. The royal and maybe while this is happening, we'll have a little visit to the land of the squirrels, because the squirrels, they've been dealt a squirrel curveball, but they seem to be adapting well, and I'm okay with that. So today plunk. It's like every time there's a squirrel, I can tell now. Every single time. Because it goes boom. That was quick. But yeah, there should be a return round of squirreling in a moment. So, okay. Water is now needing to be added. What's weird about this is like the ingredients are above that fill line, so it's kind of hard. Can I see it on that corner? Yeah, there it is. Fill line. Where'd that lid go? Oh me, oh my. I must have left it over here. Please, pardon me a moment while I retrieve the lid. I hope. Yeah, there it is. Lid. So you drop it on top, drop it like it's hot. You microwave this at 700 watts for 3.5 minutes. Stir and enjoy. Okay. 3.5 minutes. Now we'll see if that works. I think it will. We shouldn't have any problems here. The world headquarters all should be well. It's kind of a cloudy day. I think I might actually venture forth towards we got a vote today. We voted last night, and we got this other issue. Oh my god. So I had it all set up, so I had my Amazon Echo device that it was through the Fire TV, and I had 2 dot speakers that were compatible, and I had our stereo going through that, and then we had a subwoofer behind the couch. It was all integrated. And it just, over time, worked less and less and less and less. And it was just, I was done. I was absolutely done. So I'm like, well, I took the really big speakers out because I got the Victrola out there. You know how it is. And then I'm like, well, I'll just have the sound go through the TV set. And no, I need an adapter. I need a one where I can plug the Fire TV stick into, and then I've got the HDMI cable, which is really hard to get to, and then plug that in to the other end. So I wait. I have to wait. Amazon said that it would arrive between 4 and 8 a.m. this morning, and I paid extra for that service. However, they failed. So we'll see what happens. I'm really pissed about that, to be honest. So what I'm gonna do is the other one will eventually show up, or I'll just cancel it and I'll get refunded. And I ordered another one that's supposed to be here between 5 and 10 p.m. I just want the TV to work. And I know I'm not the only one. So, yeah. How much time we got? Maybe I'll just do it on the other one. Yeah, we only got a minute or two left. Let's zoom on Squirrel City. Right there. Let's see if that works. Yeah, like right about there. We'll tilt it down. There's the spot. That's where the squirrels go. Let's see. Oh, look at that. That's nice and sharp and zoomed in. So if we just wait, might just hear a kaplunk, and that's Mr. Squirrel. That's Shirl or Burl, the squirrel, hopping up on that bowl to possibly gather nits. I don't know. They gather them all. They're kind of shellfish. Anyways. Okay, let's see if this exploded in the microwave. I'm really hoping not. It's hot though. Like violently hot. I don't know. Have you seen a squirrel yet? Squirrel, squirrel. Like it's going spider, spider, like playing mind business over here. Come on. Oh, that looks like it worked. It's definitely hot. Okay, we'll get back to squirrel hunting shortly enough. There's a bird there, I see, but no squirrel. Okay, so the squirrel special time was a complete fail, and I apologize for that. But this is done. Let me grab my utensil. So there we are. And we it's definitely hot. I filled it exactly where it told me to, and I wish this was a little more zoopy, a little more saucy. I don't think it is very saucy at all. Somewhat. Which actually is kind of good, because that means I get to use my plate that I've been like really wanting to use. I got this new plate, I don't know what, a week and a half ago. And I haven't been able to use it for reviews because I haven't had anything that was dry enough. But this probably will work. There's our duck bucky. Not completely done. There's our noodle. I would say maybe a little bit above the line might be a good idea. Because that's just not enough. It's really salty. It does have kimchi. But it will grace my new plate. Check that sucker out. Thrift store Japanese plate. Pretty cool looking, I think. And we just go 1, 2, 3. Oh, and I did it wrong too. Drat. I was going to stir in so it would be more apropos or whatever you want to call it. This fish cake, but I guess we'll just try laying it on top. Angle it on the side. I don't know. And it needs egg too, which I do have at hand. I made a fried egg earlier for the next one, which is going to get a lot of AI help because it didn't work out correctly. It just didn't do as it should. It didn't listen. It looked fine. Here, let's just get you on the plate and we'll figure out where I want you to go. Is that all right? Thanks. I guess you could. Let me add some scallion really quick. And then I can kind of gauge where I'm going to want you. Whoa, 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 come on now. Ooh, I just heard squirrel. Get back up there, get more. Oh. Next episode, maybe you'll see more squirrel action. Let's add some sesame seed. Know that while the Rapokki could have used a little bit more time, it's quite good. I mean, it just needs more cooking time. It is possible that my idea of what might be 700 watts isn't. Honestly, I think probably it was higher, so it should totally be done. There's some pepper thread on top, but gee. But yeah, I really like my new plate. It's neat. I've just been having sandwiches on it, you know. I have my daily after the kids come home 4 p.m. sandwich. Whoa! Oh, and my daughter was playing with this. That's right. That's better. That was on crack. Whoa. Alright kids, thanks for watching. The next one you're gonna see is this. This is another variety made in South Korea for the US market. This is Fireball stir-fried ramen carbonara, bulldog clone. So we'll see how it goes. And yeah, this has been Hans the Ramen Raider wishing you enjoyment in your noodles each and every day. Please like and subscribe. You know how to do that. Have a good one. Bye-bye.